This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
Today I want to show you how to access LinkedIn lead generation forms from Campaign Manager. Now I ran an ad last week, a couple of days ago. I ran an ad, and more specifically a lead generation type of ad, and I got 3 leads from this, and I just wanted to do this short video to show you how you can access your leads from Campaign Manager. Now once your ad has finished running, or even while it's still running, you can now go to Account Assets. On your Campaign Manager, you'll see this: Campaign Performance, Website Demographics, Account Assets, and then under Account Assets, that's a mouthful. Under Account Assets, go to Lead Gen Forms. Now this will give you all the forms you've created, and that's why it's very important to name your form uniquely, so that you'll be able to know which form is for what if you're running several ad campaigns. Now these ones have not been in use. This is the form I want to get the leads from. As you can see, it has 3 leads, so I'll go to this actions at the very far end, the 3 dots, click on that and say download leads. It will download that as an Excel document, a CSV, which is a comma separated value, which will be an Excel document. Then once you open that, of course for privacy of my leads, I will not show you all the information. So once you open this, just one more thing I wanted to show you. When you open this, sometimes your phone numbers, if you've been collecting phone numbers, may not come in a proper format. So something like this, actually, you see it has an E plus and so on. So what you want to do to get that phone number properly is highlight that column. Is there a column or a row? Column. Right click and say format cells. And what you want to do is change this to a number format and say OK. And that will bring in your numbers properly, the way it's supposed to be, and you'll be able to pick the number from there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you access your lead generation forms from LinkedIn. If you want to learn how to create the campaign with the lead generation, where you collect that data, check out my previous videos. I'll put the link in the top right corner and in the description box below. Check that out. I also did a video talking about the analytics and how effective these campaigns are. Check that video out as well, showing you the analytics of how the ad performed and what came out of it and how much I spent and all that. In the other video, link in the top right corner and in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, if you learned something new, give this video a very big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. I share tips and tricks and tutorials on digital marketing every single week, so check that out. Check out my channel for more on that, and subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified when I put out new videos. And if you have any questions about any social media platforms, about digital marketing, about LinkedIn, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer you there, or even make a video. If there's a specific video you want me to do, also comment below and I'll get back to you. So like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.